Here we have positive inducible regulation. Positive meaning that it involves an activator, and inducible meaning that transcription started off and is turned on with the effector molecule. So as you can see in the image in the corner, there we have an inactive activator that cannot bind to the DNA, and therefore RNA polymerase cannot bind and transcription does not occur. However, when the effector molecule does bind to the activator, it activates the activator, which allows for it to bind to the DNA, and RNA polymerase is able to transcribe it. Shaggy, Scooby-Doo, and the gang go around solving mysteries of monsters terrorizing towns and neighborhoods. Two factors are needed to solve the mystery. Shaggy and Scooby-Doo always catch the monster, but they can't do so without Fred setting the booby traps. Therefore, in this scenario, Scooby and Shaggy are the activators, and Fred is the effector. Solving the mystery represents transcription. So just to reiterate, Fred is our effector molecule, Shaggy and Scooby is our activator, and the monster is our RNA polymerase. Shaggy and Scooby, the activator, will bind to the operator to activate or increase transcription, and RNA polymerase will bind to the promoter to start transcription. So like I said, initially transcription is off. The activator, Shaggy and Scooby, don't want to get involved with monsters, so they don't bind to the operator, and therefore the monster doesn't chase anybody and we never find out who it is, so transcription doesn't occur. So Fred is our effector molecule who builds the booby traps. The booby traps then activate Shaggy and Scooby, who are the activator, and now they're allowed to bind to the operator. Therefore, RNA polymerase is binding to the operator and transcription occurs, and we find out who the monster is.